There's one thing that I missed from my last video. So the double tap works fine, but if I try to turn from a running triggered by a double tap, you come to a stop. If I use a turbo key, it works fine. We need to add a transition from a double tap run to a turn. I'm going to go to the manual input again. I'm going to add an update here. Double tap running turn. So first we want to check if both move right and move left are true. And in this case, if we're using a double tap, right or left, then we're also going to turn on double tap for the other side. So if double tap does not contain move right, we're going to add it to the list. Same thing with move left. If we don't have move left, we're going to add it to the double tap. If I save and go back to Unity, basically if I trigger the double tap and press the opposite direction, you're going to maintain the double tap for the other side. So double tap right, single tap, you're still going to maintain the turbo, so you're continuing to run and turn. Okay.